Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel The Learning Pen. So in today's video we are going to learn about how to use Google Forms. Actually Google Forms में हम बहुत सारे forms, event registration, बहुत सारे forms उसमें हम create कर सकते हैं. And for beginners it's really very important to understand how to use Google Forms, actually where to go, and on mobile device also how to use Google Forms. So let's get started in the video. What is the actual purpose and the meaning of using Google Forms? And the second thing is, before starting the video, subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials like this. Okay, so here I will show you how to create Google Forms. So I will type here Google Forms, and so here you have to click Google Forms free online surveys for personal use. After that you have to click here go to Google Forms, and then now see here there is blank quiz, contact information, party invite, RSVP, t-shirt sign up, and so many templates which you can choose by clicking here. And what you will get a number of templates here, so you can choose any template if you want, but I will choose this blank template because I have to create my own Google form here. So I will write the title here, for example registration I will write here, and here the form description I will write like you will have to submit, and then I can create a number of questions here. So by clicking here I can add a number of questions in my form. So I have created question number 1, this is 2 and 3. So I have created these 3 questions. So in the first question, for example, I will write what is your name. After that I can select any input type which I want. For example, I will select here short answer because what is your name requires short answer here. So after that I can go to the next question. Here I will choose date of birth, and the input type is automatically selected as date. Here the person will write day, month and year accordingly. After that the third question, if I create like what's your experience. So here at the option 1 I'll create multiple choice, and after that I will create option 1 as good. I'll click here and create bad. I'll click here and create excellent. After that I'll show you the all input types which are available in the Google form here. So short answer means the answer which is short, words to write on the input. Paragraph means a long text which require a number of words. Multiple choice mean he has to choose good, bad, excellent, like you have seen in multiple choice questions also. Checkbox mean he have to just tick like this. He have to tick like this, good, bad, excellent. Drop down he has to choose like this, like the drop down like this. When this opens, this is in the drop down format. So when I choose file upload, so here the person has to upload and you have to click here to continue. By clicking on the continue you will get allow only specific file types. For example, I want only document, PDF and presentation. So whatever you like to choose you can choose here. Maximum number of files, for example I like to have 1 or something 5 or 10. Maximum file size, if you want 1, 10, 100, 1 GB, 10 GB, it's up to you. And then you have to view this on your folder of Google Drive. Here file upload, after there is a linear scale. Linear scale means that the person has to choose from 1 to 5. Like 1 can be bad and 5 can be excellent. So he can choose in between 1 to 5. After that there is multiple choice grid in the form of table, in the form of grid that will get created, in the form of rows and in the form of columns. After that there is tick box grid also in the form of rows and columns. Then date, which I have shown you in the form of day, month and year. Then time, in the form of time he has to show. After that I'll choose multiple choice, which I have created here. So I have created these 3 questions: what is your name, date of birth, and what's your experience. After that, here you can see this icon. This means that if you have created some other form previously, some Google form, you can choose this form and select here. By selecting here, you can import everything, the form, the questions. If you want to upload only one question or a number of questions or the whole form, then you can click here. If not, then you can cross here. If you want to add title and some other description, obviously this is the title, this is the description. If you want to create some more title and description, you can choose this option. So if you want to insert an image to a question, for example upload, you have to browse some image. For camera, you have to choose image from your camera. By URL, you have to paste the URL of that image. Photos means you simply have to go in your Google Photos, Google Drive, in your saved pics in Google Drive. Google image search, you just have to search some images. For example happy, I'll search here and I will get a number of images here. For example, I'll choose this and insert in my form. So it has been created like this. So the image title is happy. Yeah. Now after that, there is option add video. Now you can add video of any YouTube channel or a URL you can paste. Now I am just typing my channel's name. So I'll search here my channel's name, and here I'll got the number of videos that I have created. And for example, I'll choose this, how to use Google Forms in mobile. And the video has been uploaded. See, so I'll write here watch the video. After that, the last option is add section. Here you have to create another section which consists of some other questions if you want to create that, but that is a different section as compared to the section which you have created at the first. Now this is the add question option, this is import questions option, this is add title and description, this is add image, this is video adding, and this is section adding. So these were the options here. Now if you want to get the response, but before going to responses, you have to know about these options. So customize theme means in order to insert any image in the header of the Google form. So for example, I'll choose some image. Okay, so this image has been inserted which I have chosen from here in the header. So after that, I can choose any theme color. For example, I'll choose this brown color here, and background color, for example, I'll choose this white. Creamy color, then I'll choose this decorative as my font. Okay, so this form has been created like this. After that, if you want to preview your form which you have created, so you can simply click on the preview and your Google form is here. Send option, in order to see how can we send the form. So basically, if you want to send the email to a single person, you can just type here the email along with the subject and the message and include the form in the email. And if you want to send the form to a number of people, you can simply go here by copying the link, by shortening the URL and then copying it and pasting it wherever you want to. And after that, if you want to embed this coding, this HTML code in your website, in order to make this Google form available there in your website. So after that, you can get your responses by simply clicking over here. Here you will just accept your responses by get email notification for new responses, download responses through .csv, or simply you can get a spreadsheet. By creating a spreadsheet and creating its name, you can create a spreadsheet into your Google Drive, from where you can access who has submitted the Google form. So after that, you can have some settings over there. collect emails, limit to only one response, only one person can, edit after submit. If a person wants to edit after submission of the form, he can if you want to. If you want to see summary, charts and text responses, you can just click over there. If you want to change the presentation of the Google form, you can just shuffle it, show progress bar here. If you want to create a quiz of this Google form, you can click here, make this as a quiz. Okay, I have shown you all the options. After clicking here, you can make a copy of this Google form. If you want to just delete this, if you want to get a pre-filled link while pre-filling it, if you want to print it in a PDF form, you can click here. If you want to add collaborators to edit the Google form, you can. If you want script editor, basically it is scripting portion, script editing of the Google form. If you know about coding in HTML, and after that, if you know about add-ons, you can add some other third-party apps over here. So after clicking here, so like this, your form is being created. And if you do like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials like this.